Welcome to Sandra's Homespun Cooking. In today's video, I'm going to show you how quick and easy it is to fix hard-boiled eggs in the Ninja Foodi with Smart Lid. So let's just go ahead and jump right into the video. I will be using this particular egg steaming racks for my eggs today, but you can use any steam rack you prefer. So to begin, I'm pouring 1 cup of water into the Ninja Foodi, and I place my steam rack inside the pot. For this recipe, I'm using large eggs. I place my eggs into the circles on the steam rack and then lower the lid. I make sure the pressure valve is set to the sealed position. Next, I move the slider to the pressure setting, and I'm keeping the pressure set at the default of high and setting the timer for 4 minutes. Turning the silver knob on the Ninja, I select Quick Pressure Release and then press Start. The Ninja Foodi will start to heat and build pressure. Once pressure is reached, the timer will start counting down from 4 minutes. After the 4 minutes have passed, the Ninja Foodi will alert that it is ready to do a quick pressure release. Once all the pressure is released, the Ninja Foodi will indicate that I can now open the lid. Move the slider over to the air fry position to release the lock. I raise the lid, being careful of the steam escaping, and using tongs I remove the eggs and place them in an ice water bath. I will allow these to sit and cool for about 10 minutes. After the boiled eggs have cooled, I then begin removing the eggshells. That's how simple it is to make hard-boiled eggs in the Ninja Foodi. Now if you use an Instant Pot, it's going to take about 6 minutes to make hard-boiled eggs. But I was very impressed with this Ninja Foodi that it only takes 4 minutes. Thank you guys for joining me on today's video, and until next time guys, happy cooking!